Good morning, everybody. Breaking news shaking both Wall Street and crypto markets today. President Donald Trump has threatened 100% tariffs on Chinese imports, and the fallout just triggered what may be the biggest one-day crash in crypto history. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through what's behind the tariff threat, why markets spooked, and why altcoins got absolutely crushed. Let's dive in. So here's the setup. On October 10th, Trump announced that starting November 1st, or possibly earlier, the U.S. will impose 100% tariffs on Chinese goods, especially tech, and enforce tighter export controls on critical software. The immediate cause? Beijing recently added more rare earth elements and advanced materials to its export control list, a move that rattled U.S. industries dependent on these inputs. And when you add to that Trump's rhetoric calling China hostile, threatening to cancel meetings with Xi Jinping, and signaling that he's prepared to rein in tech exports, markets took it as a major escalation. For Chinese exporters, the news was electric. Many rushed to ship products before the tariffs kick in, fearing demand collapse once the duties hit. Bottom line, such a tariff isn't just symbolic. Doubling duties on all imports would send a powerful shock through global supply chains and trade sentiment. So how do we get from a political announcement to a financial freefall, especially in crypto? Well, first, risk-off mode. When geopolitical or trade tensions surge, investors typically flee what they view as risky assets. That includes tech, growth stocks, and digital assets like crypto and Bitcoin and your altcoins that just took a ridiculous hit. However, traditional finance was not safe as well, with the S&P 500 dropping 2.7%, NASDAQ falling 3.6%, and the Dow lost nearly 900 points. And secondly, the announcement came out of nowhere. Even well-positioned markets crave predictability. A surprise like this amplifies fear and triggers cascading sell orders, which is exactly what leads me to my third point, leverage and liquidations. Many crypto traders operate with margin, borrowing to amplify gains. When prices begin to drop fast, exchanges auto-liquidate positions. That forces more selling, which drives prices down even more. In fact, more than $19 billion in crypto leverage was wiped out in one day, making this one of the most brutal crashes in crypto history. And if you thought Bitcoin and Ethereum got hit hard, altcoins were decimated. Many dropped 70 to 90% from their recent highs. So, why so vicious? Well, higher volatility is one reason, weaker fundamentals another reason. Massive leverage exposure, the third reason. Altcoins tend to swing more widely relative to the blue chip cryptos. Many altcoins lacked deep liquidity, strong use cases, or broad adoption. Weaker fundamentals. And also many altcoins are just speculative alt positions, and they were over leveraged, so they were among the first to be liquidated. And then, of course, we have the correlation bleed. As Bitcoin and Ethereum fell, altcoins often follow in lockstep, especially in panicked markets full of panic sellers. Don't be a panic seller. Now, one altcoin that we should keep on our radar, guys, going forward is Zcash. And the combination of all of these leads to thinner order books, high leverage, and sentiment collapse. A perfect storm for a bearish crypto flash crash. So guys, where do we go from here? Expect a bottoming process, not an instant rebound. Analyst reports suggest a gradual reset may be in store, with volatility staying high. Also, don't forget to watch for policy moves. If China retaliates or slow walks supply, the trade war could intensify. In crypto, survivors will be those with strong fundamentals, use cases, and liquidity. Many meme or hype-driven coins may never fully recover. Sentiment will matter. Stories, social media, fear versus greed cycles will drive short-term moves. And of course, the macro backdrop, interest rates, inflation, global growth, will keep applying pressure. So in short, Trump's 100% tariff threat injected a massive wave of fear into markets, triggering one of the sharpest crashes we've ever seen in crypto. More liquidations than the COVID crash, more liquidations than the FTX crash. All coins were caught in the crossfire, and now the question is, which ones will survive the reset? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. If you like this breakdown, hit subscribe, drop a comment, smash the like button. and stay tuned. We'll keep tracking how this unfolds. I'll be going live later on YouTube to check it out. Make sure you stop by and join us. See you in the next one.